Stay connected for more burning issues and don't forget to hit the bell icon. Hello everyone, myself Satyajit. Welcome to Metro News Lifeline of your city. So today I'm gonna tell you how to get the franchises of McDonald's. If a person is interested in fast food chains and is looking to invest in a fast food restaurant franchisee in India, then this is the right place for them. The fast food chains have been revolutionizing the way food is being consumed around the world. People are now able to try new cuisines from other parts of the world. But when it comes to the fast food restaurant, there is a hardly any name bigger in the world than McDonald's. McDonald's has successfully been able to win the hearts of people all around the globe with their hygienic, high quality and delicious food and beverages. McDonald's has succeeded in finding out what people want. That is why the company is constantly innovating and coming up with food items that suits the need and wants of the local people of various countries. Now I'll tell you about the McDonald's company. McDonald's Corporation is a fast food restaurant company that was started in year 1940 in California. It was started as a single restaurant by Richard and Maurice McDonald in San Bernardino. The famous golden arches logo of McDonald's was introduced by the company to the world in 1953 in Phoenix, Arizona. In the year of 1955, Ray Kroc became a part of the McDonald's as a franchisee agent and later went on the buy to the fast food chain from the McDonald's brother. Ronald McDonald, the famous symbol of McDonald's, was introduced to the world in 1965. The symbol was used brilliantly by the company to appeal to the young children and attract more customers to their stores. So, I'll tell you the product range of McDonald's. There is a vast variety of products that are offered by McDonald's to its customer. Although the most popular products on the McDonald's menu are considered to be the burgers and fries. McDonald's also provides other food items like wraps, shakes, salads, desserts, pancakes, etc. The company also creates new food items to cater particularly to the audience of certain country. In India, McDonald's serves both veg and non-veg food items. Respecting the religious beliefs of the people of India, McDonald's does not serve any beef products in its stores in India. Now let's see the list of popular food items in McDonald's in India. Such as Mac Veggie, Mac Aloo Tikki, Paneer Salsa Wrap, Crispy Chinese, Veg Mac Curry Pan, Pizza Mac Muff Puff, Chicken Maharaja, Mac Chicken, Chicken Mac Grill, Chicken Mac Curry Pan, etc. 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 Now I'll tell you about the McDonald's franchise in India. When it's come to the fast food restaurant, there is one name that is known to every person around the world, and that is McDonald's. There are several benefits for the person who wants to get associated with McDonald's and wants to become an owner of the company's franchisee. The first benefit is that all the advertising and marketing costs are borne by the company and the franchisee does not have to pay any money towards that. McDonald's in itself is such a big giant that using the company's name alone significantly helps the franchisee in getting customers and keeping the outlet filled with them. Another advantage that a person gets if he or she becomes an owner of a McDonald's franchisee is that high quality and superior taste of McDonald's food give the franchisee a strong selling point. The third advantage is round the clock availability of food products that makes it easier for the person running the store to fulfill the food requirements of the customers in efficient and effective way. In India, owning McDonald's franchise is a bit tricky. McDonald's does not directly offer the franchisee of its company to the people. The company has appointed two people, Amit Jatia and Vikram Bakshi, and had given them a licensing authority to sell franchises of McDonald's in India. Amit Jatia is the vice chairman of Hardcastle Restaurants Private Limited and overlooks the west and south part of India in the case of selling franchises. And Vikram Bakshi, who leads the Connaught Plaza Restaurants Private Limited, has been given the responsibility to look over the northern and eastern parts of India for the purpose of selling franchisee. So, a person does not get a franchise directly from McDonald's. If an individual is interested in owning a McDonald's franchise, he or she has to apply to the companies mentioned above in order to get a franchise. Now I'll tell you the key points how to get franchises of McDonald's in India. There are certain steps that have to be followed by an individual if he or she wants to become the owner of McDonald's franchise. So, you are supposed to follow some steps. The first step towards owning a McDonald's franchise is regarding the McDonald's franchisee disclosure document. An individual has to familiarize himself or herself with the rules, regulations, and restrictions related to the owning and running a McDonald's franchise. This document provides just that information. A PDF of the document can be easily downloaded from the internet. The next step of the process is of becoming a McDonald's is to apply for the franchises by filling up an application form. Several personal and professional details need to be filled by the candidate in the application form. After filling out the form, the candidate needs to submit the application form. The support staff of McDonald's reviews the application form, and on the basis of that, the individual is selected for an examination and a phone interview by the company. If the candidate is able to pass the examination and the telephonic interview, he or she is sent to any company outlet in the city. There, the candidate gets to learn about the workings of the store. He or she learns how the store works and what qualities are needed out of the franchisee to be successful run as a store. After that, the candidate has to go through a final interview which is taken by the panel of company's official. If the individual passes the interview, he or she is given permission to open up McDonald's franchisee. Now let's turn towards the McDonald's franchisee cost in India. The amount of money that an investor needs to put up in order to own a McDonald's franchisee comes around 6.6 to 14 crore rupees. The franchisee also has to pay 30 lakh rupees as a franchisee fees to the company. Apart from that, a royalty fee has to be paid by the franchisee to the company. The royalty fee is calculated to be 4% of the total sales of the outlet. Now let's discuss about the McDonald's franchisee profit. There is no doubt that an individual will reap huge profits if he or she decides to invest in McDonald's, although there is no specific number or statistics available to show how profitable McDonald's franchise is. The company's established brand name and its homogeneous loyal customer base are enough to show a beneficial McDonald's franchise can be for a person. The franchisee can also expect to hit the break-even point in around 2-3 years. Now let's turn toward the McDonald's franchisee disclosure document. It is an important document that a person interested in becoming a McDonald's franchisee should read to know about the details and restrictions related to the owning a McDonald's franchisee. This 375-page document contains information about the role and responsibility of the franchisee. All the legal conditions, information regarding how to run the store, and different types of costs that will incurred by the franchisee to run the store are mentioned in the document. The document can be found online and has to be brought by a person who wants to own a McDonald's franchisee. So finally, in India, McDonald's has more than 250 outlets across various cities and serve more than 7 lakh people. The company focuses on the customer satisfaction, and McDonald's has introduced various new items like Mac Aloo Tikki and Chicken Maharaja Mac to cater specially to the Indian customers. McDonald's is a giant in today's time when it comes to the fast food restaurants chain. No other brand is close second. The company has loyal customers all over the world and it intends to keep growing and prospering. So, if a person wants to get associated with the fast food chain by becoming a franchisee of the company, then McDonald's is a great choice for them. So, it was all about the McDonald's franchise in India. Hope you find this information helpful. I have shared all the information, whatever information was available on Google. All the rights of this information are with McDonald's itself. Thank you.